Welcome back students in this series of Tech technology. So in the previous video we have discussed about the HTML images. We have discussed about HTML tags used for creating links and HTML images. In this video we will discuss about HTML lists. So in HTML, if you want to show data into the list format, so you have to use the HTML lists. Basically, HTML lists allow web developers to group a set of related items into a list. So there are basically three types of lists. First is unordered list, second is ordered list, and third is description list. So to understand lists, let's take an example of this particular slide. So in this slide, I have described you HTML styles. And for HTML styles, I have prepared three sentences. First of all, this, second this, and third is this syntax sentence. So if the order of list items do not matters to you, you can easily use an unordered list. So for example, if I put this second line above the first line, it will not make a lot of change. So I can easily store this kind of data into a unordered list. But let's suppose if the order of the elements matters to you, so you have to order them into a particular number wise system. So for that you use a ordered list. So for example, here onwards, these three elements 1, 2 and 3 is a part of a ordered HTML list. Next we have a description list. For example, so description list basically works like a dictionary. So when you have an element and you have some kind of description or some kind of statement against that particular element, so you will use a description list for that. For example, like for example, in this slide, I have this deleted item and then I have a description, or we can say a full form of that particular tag. So I have written del, then I have written deleted text. I have written insert, then I have written inserted text. So this can be easily done by using a description list into the HTML. Now let's see by the example. Now in this body, I want to first of all create an unordered list. So as I said, for using an unordered list, we'll write a UL tag. Now let's try this. To start an unordered list, we'll write UL. And in this UL tag, we have to put the list items. For that, we'll write the LI. So first list item, let's say our first list item is a cat. Second list item is a dog. And third list item, let's say a horse. So I save this and let's check the output. So this is the output of that particular list. So if I just open the code and repeat these elements several times like this, so the output will be like a unordered list. Now next we have a ordered list. So let me comment this out. Now in the same example, let's see how we can use an ordered list. For the using of, so if you want to use an ordered list, the tag is OL tag. Now in this ordered list, you can write the list items like bat. Let's say second is a hat, and let's say third item will be a mouse. Let's save this and check the output. Now you can see the output. The ordered list will automatically add a counting. On the other hand, unordered list will automatically add a bullet point for that. Now ordered list basically is a serial wise list or serial wise order of something. So we'll write a counting on behalf of a bullet. So next, let's discuss about the HTML description list. So in a HTML description list, there are basically two terms. The first is term and the second is description. So now let's start a description list. For description list, the tag is DL tag. Now for the term part, we have the DT tag. So we'll write this DT tag to define the term. So let's define the term coffee. Now this dt tag will write a description which is dd. Let's add a dd. So description for a coffee will be black hot drink. Now let's add a second element, again a name, again a dt tag which is, let's say, milk. Now again a dd tag description which describes the element, which is, let's say, white cold drink. These are just examples to make you understand. Now you can see the output like this. So this is your dt, defines the term, and this is your description of that particular term. So here milk is the term and white cold drink is the description. So this is how a description list will work. So hope you guys understand how to use the three type of list in the HTML. In the next video, we'll discuss about the HTML tables. Thank you.